Okay, this is going to be a very short and small video. Jupyter Notebook installed on my Mac, and I don't have it, so I'm just searching for Notebook. I can do it Jupyter Lab, I can do it Jupyter Notebook. I only need Jupyter Notebook, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to my terminal again, hopefully, and zoom in a little bit. Okay, clear out. I already have Python installed, and I also have pip installed. So if you don't have Python, you need to start at Python first, and then you need to install pip. Again, this I'm not going to guide you how to install this too. I'm hoping you would be able to do that in your own way. What I want to do is now I want to launch Jupyter Notebook at least, right? So pip install notebook, and it will install all the dependencies. And I already had a conda earlier, so maybe there are many things which already has been installed, and it's able to do things. So hopefully it's already been satisfied. That means I already have or most of the work, I already have it here. Let me see if I can remove first and then reinstall it. Is that a remove or uninstall? Right, remove it. Right, I removed this one. Let's reinstall it again. Okay, it's still saying that everything is there. All right, so that means once we are done with this, all we need to do is Jupyter Notebook, and hopefully that will work, and that will bring up the Jupyter Notebook for us. Let's give one more second. Boom, we got a Jupyter Notebook running. Now here, what we can do is, this is in the root. I can go probably in my development folder, and I will create a new Python 3 notebook. I got this Python 3 notebook. I'm gonna rename it as a test1, and all I'm gonna say is print hello world, and I'm going to run this print hello world. Okay, so my Jupyter Notebook is now functional. Well, that's it, folks. This is it. We wanted to install Jupyter Notebook, and then we got a Jupyter Notebook. We will look anything else in the next one. Thank you.